AI just made print-on-demand easier than it's ever been. With AI, anyone can launch print-on-demand products in days, no design skills needed. Focus on marketing and watch your business scale like never before. Like this page, it's make $260,000 for just one day, 260K. So how can she do that with a page with just 275 posts and 228,000 followers? She made over $3 million in revenue in a single year. You can go and verify all the information that I link below the video. There are several accounts that use the same exact strategies that she is using to make millions. Today I'm gonna share it with you for free. We are gonna go step by step on how you can start this. For those who don't know what is print on demand, it's like a drop-shipping business model where you find printable products like mugs, t-shirts, pants, or more on a website like Printy and then put a cool design on it and sell those products on Shopify or Etsy. For example, I have an audience about a wildlife, so you can add this cool design about the book on your mug and sell it to your audience, which is basically what print on demand is. Now with website like Printy, you can have 1,000 products. You gotta find something that you researched, it's trending, and have the potential to sell. For example, this plain mug costs around $4.75. But with this unique design, you can sell it for around $15 if you deduct the product cost, which is $4.75. You'll get $11.25. This is your profit. All you do is just focus on marketing. X's gonna do everything to you. I'm gonna work you through 3 simple steps. That's how you can find a marketplace, create a design, and set up a printfy, and start to have your first order. This process cost me $950 to understand, but right now it's free for you. Let's start with the marketplace. There are 2 ways to go. First is Etsy. Second is Shopify. Etsy is more easier. It's like a marketplace where set up everything to you, and customers come a lot. Shopify is more complicated, and it's gonna take a whole days to walking through. So choose Etsy to explain for you. Now let's start with the designing part. With the help of AI, you don't need to learn how to be a designer. You just need to open ChatGPT and send a prompt like, I'm running a pod business. My niche is about wildlife. Give me 20 phrases about it. I know my prompt is sucked, but believe me, it's okay. And now we have 20 ideas for design. To make a simple design manually, I'm gonna type this detail prompt. All you need to do is copy and paste it. Let's see what ChatGPT come up with. It's took me 50 seconds, and the results is so great. I will leave the prompt at the description. Okay, this is nice. Or you can make design with Canva or Photoshop if you want. With Canva, you can make simple design within several minutes. Here's how it's done. Go to your Canva account and select this custom size option here. You need to add 5,000 pixels of height and 5,000 pixels of width. This got a good quality. That's why we are using these numbers. This is gonna be the dashboard. I'm gonna go to the text feature and add a text layer like this. And let's paste one of our phrases to this. So we get a lot of option here. I'm gonna add some effects to this text. Or you can make this curve like this. I'm gonna change the front as well. Make sure it's suitable to your niche and it's look nice with me. This font will be good. It's simple and easy to look. Now we're gonna hit the elements and type forest. If you go to this graphic option, you can find a various option of forests here. I'll select this graphic and I want it's under the phrases like this. We will change the color this text layer to match with the graphic. I like this color. And now we want to add a wolf graphic in the middle. Let's find some cool wolf graphic here. Okay, I think this will be suitable for the design. And let's add here. I think this is a good and simple design for a mug or a t-shirt. It only takes me some minutes to desk in. After all, click it here to download PNG file. Now you know how to make simple and advanced designs. Your skill at design will updates more if you run it more. The next step is create your print file account and create a product. Let me explain for you about this print file website does. This website will help you run everything when have the order from customer. It's mean you don't need to worry about manufacturing or shipping. This site run them whole for you. They have more than 1,000 products and there is no fee or cost upfront. It's 100% free. Let's jump in how to make your first product. Go to dashboard and click the see more option. Here's all the product that they have. You can see they have several t-shirt, which are different from quality. And we have this product, which is wall decor, or some say canvas print. We have sweatshirts, hoodies, mugs, foam covers, and more products. If you go to this catalog option, you will be able to see all the products categories member. For this example, I'm going to select this mug. Now we have several options, which are different in materials, price, and designs. I'm going to choose this mug, which cost me $56. Now if you scroll down, you can see the price of this product, the shipping fee, and the time delivery, and all details about this product. Now, let's add design on it. Click Start Designing option. This is editing dashboard. You can create from scratch, but because we already make one, so let's just upload it. Select My Device. Then you click the design that we created using Canva. Here you can see the design placement of this mug. You can change the background color if you want. I think white color is best for this mug. Once you're done, you can click this preview button and the product as realistic mockup. I honestly think that this looks amazing. You can check all sides and they have different mockups to show us all the sides. Then you can select this Save Product option. Now we have more realistic mockups. You can select any of these, and these are going to show up in your store, and customers can see these. As you see here, we can using AI to optimize these listing for us, which means AI can help us with title and description. Here's the product title, and it matches well with the design. We have production as well. After you're done with that, you will click the Publish option and connect this to your website. You can use Etsy, Shopify, or any website builder. Just with few clicks, your print file account will be connected to your Etsy account. Then, all these product listings will appear on Etsy. It's super easy, and that's how you can start print on demand with AI by doing these 3 steps. And with that, today's video has come to an end. I hope you learned some valuable information from this video. I will see you guys in the next one.